Hi, I'm Chris Bryce from Superservice.com, and I'd like to talk to you about how to make your Windows XP PC start faster. One of the easiest ways to make Windows XP start faster, surprisingly enough, is by removing some unnecessary fonts. Fonts are loaded into the background every time you start Windows, and this can really bog down your system and slow down the speed of it starting up. If you go into your fonts directory, several of the fonts are done as duplicate in order to allow for bold, italic, and even underlined fonts. If you look through your fonts and you have, for instance, Arial and Arial Bold and Arial Italics, you can eliminate the extra fonts by getting rid of the bold and italic version of the font. Most of the software programs out there, like Microsoft Office, including Word and Paint programs and that you would use fonts for, have the ability to add bold and italic and underline features to the font inherently in the program. So you don't need to have the extra font files there. You can eliminate between 50 and 75% of those fonts by just getting rid of the extra features of the fonts you already have. If you do that, your XP system will definitely start faster. Aside from that, one of the other quick fixes you can do, and inexpensive fixes you can do, is to add RAM to your computer. If you double the amount of RAM that you have, which is normally under $100 for most people to do, you can extremely speed up the speed of your system because you're allowing the opening of floodgates to the processor to allow faster processing and information to process easier and more efficiently. That's one of the most inexpensive and quickest things to do to speed up your PC. Now, the other thing that you can look at doing is increasing your video card capacity or your video card's memory. If your video card has the ability to add memory to it, that's a great fix for your computer, because when you think about it, everything on the computer has to be displayed at some point, and that's all going through your video card. So as much processing speed as you have, in the end, your video card is what's really making the speed possible by accelerating the system and allowing it to display on the monitor. If you increase your video card size, for instance, if you have a 256 meg video card and you go to a 512 megabyte video card, that's going to extremely increase the speed of your system, not just on how it starts, but all around. Those are a few of the best ways to speed up how your Windows XP PC starts.